Hello, dear Mulimi children. Good morning to all of you. It is me, Suresh Bhagwaj, ex-TGT English, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas. I am here to teach you, I am here to tell you, I am here to learn and to make you learn how to use sentences, okay, on the basis of present perfect continuous tense. What is perfect continuous, present perfect continuous tense? Let us understand. Action which takes place in the present action, and partly action perfect, partly action perfect, and partly action into continuation. Partly action done, partly action perfect, perfect action still into continuation. That is present perfect continuous tense. Very Hindi example I would like to give you. A sentence here, model sentences have been written on whiteboard. मैं 2000 से पढ़ा रहा हूँ 2000 से। अभी भी पढ़ा रहा हूँ, पढ़ाता रहूँगा। तो 2000 से पढ़ा रहा हूँ तो इतना मैंने काम पूरा कर लिया, फिर भी काम जारी है। Action, complete action in the present still into continuation, that is present perfect continuous tense. सीता 2 घंटे से पढ़ रही है, 2 घंटे से पढ़ रही है, अभी पढ़ रही है, और कब तक पढ़ेगी अनसर्टेन। 2 घंटे से पढ़ रही है, पढ़ने का काम अभी जारी है, पढ़ रही है तो 2 घंटा 100 पेज पढ़ डाली होगी। कंप्लीट एक्शन, परफेक्ट एक्शन 2 घंटे का, और फिर भी पढ़ रही है, पढ़ेगी तो कंटिन्यूअस एक्शन इनटू कंटिन्यूएशन। Action, partly action perfect and partly action is into continuation, that is present perfect continuous tense. Here children, I would like to tell you time. Time is given in the structure, okay? Time that is of two kinds, point of time and period of time. Point of time means action beginning. Since when action takes place, action beginning, and for action beginning, since to be used, okay, to know a time, and for shows refers to period of time, since refers to point of time, for refers to period of time, means time duration, expansion of time duration, कितना देर तक समय विस्तार कब से कार्य शुरू होता है। Since shows, since tells you. Now action beginning, this is action beginning point, time, and for duration of time, period of time, that is the for okay, in case there is duration, expansion of time, so for that for to be used, and if action starts, time given there, point of time, since to be used. Example has been given, मैं 2000 से पढ़ा रहा हूँ. I have been teaching you since 2000. I has have been. Generalization of this tense is has have been, okay, principal verb ing, since and for, then object. Here you know it is your here subject, and then object, and other things, maybe other things, other words, means has have been verb third form. Sorry, verb ing, has have been verb ing, since and for your action beginning since, and for your duration of time, okay, expansion of time, for. I have been teaching you. I have been, I means have been. I have been teaching you कब से? Since 2018. Since action, teaching action starts 2000. It is fixed time. Action beginning time. So for action beginning point time, since to be used. And सीता 2 घंटे से पढ़ रही है. सीता means duration of time, expansion of time, okay, period of time, that is 2 hours. The Sita has been reading. Sita has been reading for 2 hours. Sita has been reading for 2 hours. Likely other sentences, it has been raining since morning. Since morning, action beginning. Boys have been dancing since Sunday. Pakka time, definite time, okay, fixed time, okay. Now, point of time, that is Sunday. The since Sunday, boys have been dancing. Affirmative sentences may be framed on the system or pattern. Negative for your negative. Now, you know, helping verb has and have. Helping verb has and have. It means this portion before, okay, just before being, verb ing, not to be used. Just before being, verb ing, not to be used. It has not been raining since July. Likely, boys have not been reading for 2 months. Interrogated to get yes no response, has have to be taken out of the structure. Okay, Sita has taken out. Has Sita been reading? Has Sita been reading for 2 hours? To get yes no response, yes or no. Likely, have, was, have taken out, have boys been dancing, have boys been dancing for many days. Now interrogative to get yes no response, yes or no. In that case, have helping verb to be taken out to be used first to get yes no response. And so many other sentences now have been used here. Who has been reading for 2 hours? Who? From this sentence, interrogative sentence has been framed. Who means to know person. Who in place of Sita, who question, who has been reading for 2 hours? And to know. Speaker wants to know period of time. This is why, for how long has Sita been reading? And speaker, okay, wants to know duration of time. This is why for has been used. For how long has Sita been reading? For how long has Sita been reading? Speaker wants to know duration. If speaker wants to know a point of time, fixed time, okay, action beginning time, in that case, since how long have boys been dancing? Speaker wants to know definite time, means point of time, Sunday, Monday, whatever, maybe. Since how long have boys been dancing? Okay, period of time and a point of time, period of time, sorry, point of time, names of days is a time. Names of days, okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, morning, evening, midnight, and January, February months, January, February, March, April, 91, 92, 93, okay, 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, morning, evening. Okay. So these are the sentences. These are now point of time and period of time 2 hours, 3 days, hours, days, months, weeks, years. Use for means period of time. Okay. And one thing I would like to tell, very particular sentence I would like to write to you. Okay. It's a very particular sentence, very special sentence. I have been breathing. I have been breathing. Okay. Since I was born. I have been breathing since I was born. Since I was born means, मान लीजिए सपोज दैट आपकी 2005 में पैदा हुई. Okay, dear, look at this sentence, very particular, very special. Now it is to you to learn. I have been breathing since. This is your डेट ऑफ बर्थ. जब पैदा हुए तभी से मैं सांस ले रहा हूँ. मैं जब से पैदा हुआ तभी से सांस ले रहा हूँ. यानी पैदा तो एक ही दिन ही होंगे. दैट इज दिस. ओके. एक्शन बिगिनिंग. सिंस आई वॉज बॉर्न. I have been breathing since. Okay. This point of time. But instead of point of time, okay, mentioned here. Here now a sentence has been used. I was born. Okay. So this is now present perfect continuous tense. Comes to a closer. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you a lot.